The XPG PRECOG gaming headset features high fidelity dual drivers, virtual 7.1 surround sound and a high quality microphone, making it a solid option for both gaming and streaming. The microphone is detachable and sounds great, as you can hear from the following sound test.
Okay guys, this is a quick test of the XPG PRECOG microphone quality.
It also features ergonomic ear cups and memory foam cushions which give it an almost weightless feel on your head. Paired with the lightweight yet sturdy build, this made it great for long periods of use, and I found it to be extremely comfortable during gaming. One of the other great things about this headset is that it doesn't require any software, so it's a completely plug and play experience that doesn't clutter your PC up with additional programs. The USB Type-C control box allows you to turn off noise cancellation, activate FPS mode and also adjust volume and mic activation. There is a similar controller on the 3.5mm cable, meaning you don't lose any key functionality when you switch between these interfaces. Overall, we've been really impressed with this headset and have now adopted this into our streaming setup. For more information on the headset, feel free to leave a comment below this video. Other than that, we hope you enjoyed this quick look at the XPG PRECOG, and I will see you guys in the next video.